Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, can foreigners inherit land in Thailand? As we discussed in another video, there is a part of the land code that allows for foreigners to own land. Now, as I discussed, it's really not widely used. It's contingent upon primarily the interior minister signing off on the ownership. As a practical matter, that's probably not going to happen. Also, there's a separate investment criteria where you have to invest in like a certain kind of government bond in order to have the eligibility to own the land. So land ownership as a practical matter is effectively a no-go. That's the thing to take away from this. But regarding inheritance, what about that? I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from The Nation, that's nationthailand.com. Article is titled, Land Department Updates Criteria for Foreigners to Own Land. Quoting directly, inheritance. Foreigners who are the legal heirs of foreigners allowed to hold land can inherit the land holding. The inheritance must comply with the land holding law or criteria for land holdings by foreigners, which those criteria include, again, that the interior minister has to sign off on it, which as a practical matter is just not effectively done. On top of that, there's also the independent investment requirement, which requires 40 million invested in government bonds. As a practical matter, we've just never seen this happen. Now, before I move on to some analysis regarding probate specifically, please note we do have long-form content that I'm starting to create through our paid news service. Those who are interested, please feel free to email us at media@integrity-legal.com for our paid news service content. Again, that type of content is going to be oftentimes 30 minutes or more. I'm looking to do one coming up. I've already done 3 episodes, looking to do one coming up on the recent sort of changes with regard to politics and things and how that's all affecting sort of the expat community here in Thailand. Also, another quick plug, Pancake Palace. We've just opened here in downtown Bangkok, between Silom and Surwong Road on Soi Anuman Rajadon. For those who are interested in diner-style American food, breakfast anytime, including pancakes, but also chili, buffalo wings, which I think are the best in Bangkok, cheeseburgers, we got Sloppy Joes, all that kind of stuff, American diner-style food in downtown Bangkok, Pancake Palace. Coming back to the issue of inheritance. Well, direct inheritance, it goes back to the issue of getting the interior minister's signature, etc. There may procedurally be ways in which to forestall necessarily sale of Thailand as a result of inheritance while one is waiting for a buyer, and that can come about during the court proceedings pertaining to the bequest. So if somebody dies and you are the heir to land in Thailand and you are a foreigner, there may be considerations that the court may be willing to take in your specific case to allow you to basically not have to divest yourself in such a way that's completely detrimental to you. Now, this will all be driven by the specific facts in a given case. So again, it's a situation where each case is going to be different. For those who are looking at a situation where they've had someone pass away and they're looking to inherit real estate in Thailand, probably a good idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.